I just want to say this video contains very bright and flashing lights. So yeah, yeah, bye bye. Oh yeah, it gets very loud.
I have
What's good, boys?
$7,000.
We good, boys? Come on. Oh, stinky. Oh, that. Where is it? Okay.
I don't like the monster.
The monster's creepy.
I'm rich. I have $9,000.
The monster's creepy.
I have 200 and
Where is the monster anyway?
The monster's is creepy.
I'm going to clap the monster now.
Oh, yeah, I'm also gonna clap that little.
Hey,
I mean,
hey,
what?
We're rich.
Yeah, we all
I have
get
50K. I have $15,000. No, I have 209.
Come on, boys, we gotta go.
19,000.
Boys, we gotta go.
I have 209,000.
Boys, we gotta go. Do not go in there. That's an endless pit, which kills you.
Doing the duplication.
Oh, okay.
I believe that. I don't know where that leads, and I don't want to.
I'm scared shitless, I swear.
Oh, that's also an infinite pit. Oh, this place looks cool.
No, I'm scared shitless, bro.
Bro, don't
Alright, so there's nothing in here. Okay, let's go to the next room.
I'm gonna be looking down because, oh, I hear
Oh
it.
no, the monster.
Oh, what the hell?
It knocked the light out of my hand. Holy cow. Oh,
Not me, little bro.
I'm
out.
just
That's
scared.
the house already.
I swear I'm really scared shitless, bro.
I'm at the entrance. Just saying.
I said, I
Bro,
don't
the skibbity house is so skibbity toilet.
Come on, let's keep going.
No.
Hey,
I'm
Ron,
gonna be
I'm
looking
flying.
down because I'm scared.
Where's my hoverboard?
Okay, there's nothing back here. Let's go back.
Yeah, no, I'm scared.
You ain't nothing but a broke fiend, 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 fiend.
Fiend, fiend, fiend. No, I'm
Nothing in
scared.
No!
Please get the key fast.
By the way, if you
because I'm
see an
really
empty
scared.
room, do not walk into it.
Okay.
Hold on. Alright, we're fine.
I crashed out. I crashed out. Okay,
see-
sure.
What is
Um,
that sound?
Is she gone? Is she gone?
What is the sound? Oh no, no, she's not. Okay. She just literally teleported right in front of me.
Is she gone? I don't think so. I think I see the key on the map. I think I see the key on the map. No, I'm scared shitless, bro.
Oh, come! It came back. It came back. What the hell?
Is everyone good?
My hair.
Yeah.
My head hurt. My hair hurt.
Let's just do Allah Akbar and run away.
Okay. Wait. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she?
She's
I'm
behind
going
the
to
door.
sacrifice myself for you
Find
guys.
what door?
This door. She's like there. Behind it.
Should I sacrifice myself for you guys?
Please.
If you want
Then
to.
give me your pump gun.
Hold on. I put them in my
Oh
bag.
yeah, shotgun. I had a shotgun the whole time, which I forgot to tell you guys. Bro,
Give me a flashlight. Give me a flashlight.
bro, I forgot I
Okay,
had a
they shoot
shotgun
up
the
the
whole
flashlight.
time.
Give me a flashlight.
Skibbity toilet. Where's that flashlight?
Okay, come on, bro. Go on. Please, bro.
I'm gonna look outside.
No, no, I can't. I like literally can't.
What? She's not here.
I can't.
She's not here.
I physically and mentally, I mentally can't.
Okay, she's there. We killed her. We killed her. We
Really?
killed her.
Did
What the
she
hell?
really?
What the hell? How did it spawn again?
Is she dead?
Spawn back. No, it just spawned back.
I think we're surrounded. Look at the mini map.
Wait, who was the... Yo, guys!
We saw surrounded by 7 of them.
We have
I'm
help!
scared. There are 7 of them around this place. Help! Help, guys! Help! We need to kill the monster. She's behind the door. We need to kill the monster. I'm gonna kill her. She's like that! She's like that! She's like that! Kill her!
Oh! No!
He died! Someone go get the bag behind us.
I found the key!
Someone found the key! We need to make it back! Quick! Someone found the key!
No! I thought you died.
Don't worry, boys.
I'm going to hug.
Faster!
Guys! We survived! Where's the key?
Who has the key? Who has the key?
I'm locking the doors. I have the key!
I'm on my way! We have a shotgun here! Yes! I got the shotgun!
Did you get up?
Yeah, he has the key!
Come on,
The
open
key!
it, boys!
Put it in!
Yes!
Yes! You're in!
Old lady!
Suey!
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 Okay.
This is my first ever time making it here.
Okay, come on, bro. I know how to beat it. We gotta get under the heart. No, don't try. No! If it's easy, it deals you damage. No. We gotta get under the heart. Come on, bro. No, come on, bro. You can't kill it. Aye. Come on, bro.
Dude, the shotgun isn't even loaded!
Jump down over there. Come on! You know how to run! Yes! I made it! Yeah! Hell yeah! Oh,
Dude,
My
this
heart-
is so cool!
my heart is pumping, bro. Okay, boys. Jump down. Jump! We...
Guys, I'm strapped.
I'm
strapped.
Oh man. Oh my
Guys,
eyes.
I'm strapped.
That's
Yeah,
nice.
I'm strapped.
Nice. Come on. Come on, boys.
Where's Green?
Oh, green. I'm a buy it.
Yeah, Green.
Green. Take one. Take one.
I'm
No,
strapped.
Why do we need these?
Oh
Why
man,
do we need
take
these?
one. We need them. Just come with me. Look.
Just come on.
Come on, green.
Oh, look what?
Where's green?
How do I get up?
You gotta change to blue. Change to blue and then charge it up
Yeah.
and then point up. Charge up and point up. Come on, fly.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, these.
Yeah. Oh, my eyes. I think I'm blind. Wow.
You are.
You
Where's
are.